But by the end of the play, in every show, I used to feel a very liberated person because I was talking about all the failures. And that's where that incident which remembered me, which took away the fear of failure, was an incident, if you want to listen to it. I was in 10th standard in Simla, and we had a restaurant over there called Alpha Restaurant. Now, Alpha was a very modern, very happening place where we could not go every day or every month. So we used to go once in 6 months there. My father was a clerk in the forest department. And we had just gone two months back. Now we were supposed to go there after 6 months, after 4 months. And our patent menu was mutton samosa, pineapple pastry, and espresso coffee. In 10th standard in Simla, when you give your exams, they used to promote you to 11th standard. And after 2 months, the result used to come. And if you have failed, they will bring you back to the 10th standard, which was the most humiliating thing that could happen to you. So one day my father came, I was sitting in the 11th standard. He said, let's go to the school. He came. So he said, Alpha chalega? तो I said, अभी तो 2 महीना पहले गए थे, अभी तो जा नहीं सकते, 4 महीने बाद जाना है. He said, नहीं नहीं चलते हैं. So we went there. Now I thought that he will not be ordering all the three things. He will just order coffee or something. So he ordered espresso coffee, mutton samosa, and pineapple pastry for me and for himself. Earlier he used to put 50 paisa as a tip. So I asked him, I said, what is it? Have you got promoted or you got a lottery or something like that? He said, nahi, nahi, khale, khale. So both of us ate, and that day he put 1 rupee tip. So I said, something has gone wrong. I said, tell me, why are you doing this? He said, you have failed in 10th standard. So I said, then why are you giving me this party? He said, I'm celebrating your failure, so that if ever in your life you fail, you will know that failure is nothing to be worried about. You should celebrate it. So I wanted to write about my experiences of life, how to deal with life, because sometimes you just express it. And when you express it from the heart, it touches reader's heart. It's like a performance. Some performances touch your heart. That's what writing a performance is all about. I have never wrote the next book. Hopefully one day I will. But you bring out books because somewhere I think you are very basic about life. And as yet, the day you start crafting the book, that will be a difficult job.
I know. I go about writing things that naturally come to me. I don't know how to cook up something and then serve. I can always put, say, 5 to 10% of fiction element just to serve something. But then the 90% part of it is जो भी मेरे आसपास आप बीती हो रही है, जो गुजर रही है, जो घटनाएं हो रही हैं. And I love writing about them, then making a sci-fi world. I think that comes naturally to me, and there is so much to write about actually.
Absolutely. I think that lady has been wanting to ask you a question for a long time.
Oh yeah.
Since like it happened yesterday is about childhood memories and everything, so I would just tell you that an incident which happened with me day before yesterday at my college. My accounts professor punished me for reading I Too Had a Love Story.
Oh.
I was sitting in the last bench and I don't know how he got to know that I was reading the book. I'm reading the book actually at 10th time and I've finished it, but I don't know how he got to know that. But my question to you is. You must be getting criticism for your work sometimes, maybe from some readers who don't like your work or who don't like your book. So how do you take that criticism? Do you take it in a good stride or you feel bad and try to improve? Or what do you think about that?
Just said failures are the pillars of success then, you know. I would love to get a healthy feedback. Now, there is a way to criticize something also. There are a lot of readers who say, आप ऐसा ना करके वैसा लिखते तो कितना अच्छा होता. And then I go in a thought process. नहीं इधर बताओ तुम क्या कहना चाहते थे? And that's the way I'll take it. But if someone is just in view of the fact that this book is just getting so like a hot cake and therefore I want to shout, I don't encourage that. I do not delete their comment from my fan page, even though that's my fan page, but I believe they have right to say, end of the day, they spent 140 rupees buying my work. If they did not like that, it's okay. But I would encourage people who come back and tell me, this is the good part, this is the best part. There is a scope of improvement in this part. And I would love to take that as a feedback when I start writing my next work. That's how my approach to criticism is.
Wish you all the best for your future work, and will you please wish me luck also, because I'm also writing a novel.
Thank you
and,
so much, and all the very best to you.
Thank you, sir. And after reading your first book, at that moment मैंने decide कर लिया था that I will marry a true blue Punjabi munda, even though I'm a Maharashtrian. I will force my mother to find a Punjabi boy for me. So all the best, sir.
All the very best to you.
Thank
also.
you, thank you. We won't be able to take any more questions, but the author will be here for book signing. So if anyone wants to have like a small tete-a-tete with him, they will be able to do that. Copies of the book are available. Copies of the book will be available right there, as well as at the cash counter for you to pick up and have signings of.